Now everything is fine, friends.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
So
Yes, yes.
here class F extend D and implement what we will do it now. Implement C. Right? Like this we will write it now, friends. Okay. So now fine. Let's understand what is that. Now we understood about that what extend implementation implement relation is there, right? Interface and a class and a class and a class and a interface and an interface relation is there. So like this we will work, right? But the relation is there, has a, if a has a relation is there, is nothing but what is that, association is there. Then how we can perform the operation now? How we can perform the operation? Let's understand that one also, right? So has a relation, has a relation, right? Has a relation is nothing but what? Association. Association, fine. Okay, good. So association, simple. How we can perform the association? Using child. Using child. Child is nothing but can be class or can be interface. Interface, right? Interface as a data type as a data type data type in parent class, in parent class, right? In the parent is nothing but class only, right? Parent also class itself only. Okay, so we need to creating one variable. Variable is nothing but we can say that here a reference variable. Reference variable, we can say that what? Reference variable. Just I'm taking that, what is that? Relation, has a relation. How we can perform the has a relation in application as well as in the project? So we will denote that things based on that rhombus symbol, friends. Okay, so just think about that. First, whenever the classes is there in the relation, first a child class we will develop, then we will develop parent class. Okay, so I'm taking what is that? Child class and a parent class is there. Parent class is there, right? So first we development will start from here child class. First we will develop child class, then we will develop what is that? Parent class, right?
Parent.
So okay, so how we will
Right,
represent?
right.
And we will give that, what is that? Rhombus symbol, right? In which area, in which side rhombus symbol is there, that one will
Child
become,
side.
child class. And the in which area, in which side normal things is there, that one will become parent, right? In the easy relation, what is that? Here what's happening now? Here what's happening? Here, wait, yeah, here parent is what is that? Super class. If we are, whenever we are using the extend and implement, the parent class is the super class and child class is which one we are writing. But whenever we are working in the association, right? Whenever we are working in the association, in this time which one will become child and which one will become parent now? Which one we will associate in the parent class, right? Parent class, don't worry, more clarity I'll give it more clarity. So coding order will be child to, coding order will be child to parent, right? In this time, what is that? Coding order will be child to
Child to parent.
parent, right? So just simple, friends. Okay, just simple. I'm giving one example. Okay, I'm taking one example here itself only, right? So I'm taking first, what is that? I'm taking one class. I'm taking one class, that is the address address, right? I'm taking one class as a address. Okay, so here what is that? Here this is the class. I'm taking this one as a class. Okay, Now friends, don't bother about the package statement, public keyword and all those things. Okay, just understand the relation, how we are establishing the relation, then later we will understand those things. Okay, fine. Now so here address is there, that is the, sorry, this is class, this is class. Okay, fine. Now here what is that, I'm taking one employee. Employee has address. Okay, employee has address, we are establishing the relation. The relation is has a relation. Relation is has a relation. Okay, so and employee also class, employee also class only, right? So just simple friends. So whenever we will code this by seeing this diagram, whenever we will code it, so how it's look like, first we will write that what is that, class address, class address. Fine. Now so class address is there. Okay, fine. After then we will develop our employee class, right? After then what we will do it now, we will develop our employee class, class employee, class employee. Inside that what we will do it now, what we will do it now friends, just simple, how we are declaring any variable now, how we are declaring, just I'm taking what is that, int id, right? Int id we are taking, right? So this is the data type, right? This is the data type and this is the data type name or variable name, right? Come on.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
so same like what we will do it now, same like what we will do it now, come here. So what I said that using see this, using child class, right? Using child class, this is the child class, because in which side this rhombus symbol is there, that one is the child class, right? Child class as a data type, as a data type. What is the data type we will take as a data type in the parent?
Yes.
We will take this address class data type in the parent class, right? In the parent class. Okay, and create one variable. Variable means nothing but what is that, variable name. Okay, so how we will declare it now, address adr I'm taking. Okay, address, this is the data type, right? This class is becoming here what is that, data type. Okay, so now next what I'm taking now, variable name addr. Okay.
Address.
Like this we are establishing. If we are doing like this means what we, which relation we are establishing now, which relation we are establishing now, has a
As a
has a
relation.
relation, right? We are establishing in our project what is that, has a relation. See, has a relation, simple. Whenever we are developing our microservices or normal things, wherever we are doing auto wiring, right? Auto wiring, our container is creating auto wiring, we are taking the private address or simple any employee, all those things are not, that is also has a only. See, so
Yes, Ravi.
here what is that, here we don't need, right? Whenever we are working new address, these things will taking care by container, right? We won't need, right? But what we are doing now, like we are declaring the things like this, na, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so okay guys, so if you guys are really understood, right? If you guys are really understood, then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give one example to you people, right? One example to you people, just write the code. Okay, just write the code. Actually I will see that. Okay, I'll see that. Okay, so fine. Now so here just I'm taking what is that, here I'm taking branch, I'm taking branch. This is the class, right? This is the class. Okay, this is the class. Okay, fine. After then what I'm taking now, let's take company. Let's take company. This one also class only, right? This one also class only. Fine. Now so here what we will do it now, here what we will do it now, here rhombus symbol is there. Inside in this one, which one is the child, which one is the parent, friends? Come on.
Branch
Branch
is
is a child.
Branch is a child. Branch is a child and company is the parent, right? Company is the parent now. Okay,
Parent.
fine now, friends. So, but if, whenever we will develop the code, development will start in which side now?
Child branch.
Yeah,
Child.
Inside.
first we will
Branch.
start the coding from the branch and then company, right? So just write the code, friends. Write the code and use the chat box and send to me. Manjulata, good. Sahil Sharma, good. Vardharaju, correct. Shandeep, very nice. Raju, good. What about other? Just 3 to 4 only? Yes, RG. Auto wiring, Hare Kanta. What is it? Kankata. Yes, RG Kankata, what are you doing, man? When I explain auto wire, just I given in the spring wherever we are implementing. Okay, no worries. And no issues. At least you tried. That is the enough for me. Okay. At least you tried, right? I appreciate your patience as well as what is that. At least you are trying, right? That's the correct things.
Yes.
Okay, bin Fatima Muhammad, correct. Developer Hunter, correct. Yeah, most of the people given the right answer, friends. Okay, right answer. So first we will develop what is the child class is nothing but branch. Branch, right? We will develop branch. After then we will develop what is that company, right? So class company. Company inside this class company, right? Inside that company, what we will do it now? We will make the has a relation branch. Just let's take branch. That's it. Okay, like this we will write it, right? Like this we will write and we will make the has a relation, friends. Okay, friends. So now let's understand these things based on that UML notation, friends. Okay, UML notations. Now I'm drawing the UML notations. Let's understand these things as a UML notation. So I'm taking what is that one UML notation. Whenever you guys will get in the company, how our UML notation will look like. Okay, so just here I'm taking what is that. Let's take com dot rk dot, just let's take data. Okay, data I'm taking. Okay, now fine. Inside the data, let's take vendor. Let's take vendor, right? In the vendor, what is that? One private variable is there, right? vid, right? vid, that is the int only, right? Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is one class is there. Okay, fine. Now this is one class is there. Okay, don't bother about that method and all those things now. Okay, don't bother about the method and all those things, constructor, private, all those things. Okay, so just this is the one notation which is the vendor and this is the class now, friend. Okay, this is the class now. Okay, this is the class now. Okay, another one is what? Another one more class is there, right? One more class is there. So what is that? Com dot rk dot, let's take this one also, data only. Here I'm taking what is that? Product. Raghavendra, 3 to 4 times you did. Okay, on the screen, please be careful. Just this is the last warning for you. After then, if you're not able to control your finger, leave the session yourself only, otherwise we will take the action about you. Okay, so product, right? Product, and here what is that? Here I'm taking what is that? PID, right? PID int. Okay, PID int means product id I took. Okay, product id I took. Okay, so this is another notation, right? This is another notation, friends. Okay, good. And this one also class, and this one also class, this one also class. In between both, what is that? Has a relation is there, has a relation is there, has a relation is there. Okay, so whenever I'm giving this one, right, whenever I'm giving this notation to you people, means developer, how the developer will do, how developer will start the coding? First developer will develop what is that? Child class, right? Child class, child class. First development will start from here, then here, then here. Now, okay, so how we can develop this class now? Don't worry about that. First I'll tell the things, guys. Second time onward I'll ask to you people. Okay, you guys also write in the session itself only, like simultaneously your practical also will be done. Okay, so in the free of your time, you can able to learn something in different, anything else, or you can involve in your work, right? Office work. Okay, so now fine.
Vendor attribute not added.
Sorry.
Vendor attribute are not added in the, along with PID. Generally,
Okay,
will add.
don't worry. Like in
Okay.
the UML notation, we are not writing, because this one, based on this one only, that one will come, right? Here has a,
Okay.
has a, I know that your doubt is because of that. You, if those things we will add by seeing this UML notation, right? In the,
Okay.
yeah, in the notation, in the notation we are writing particular variable of that class only, not like relation data. So that's why I wrote. Okay, so there, yeah, that's a correct doubt, but I wrote,
Okay, Ravi.
yeah, but I wrote correct notation, Pradeep. Okay, so fine. Now, so how we can write it this class? Now we will write first development will start here, package com dot rk dot data, com dot rk dot data. Fine. So here we will take public vendor, right? Inside this vendor, what is that? One private variable is there,
Private int
private int
int
and
vid
vid, vid. Okay, so this class is ready now. Okay, so fine now.
Ravi,
that.
Ravi. Before that vendor class, you not
Oh
you
yeah,
have
yeah,
not named.
correct. Class. Okay, class. Fine. So here, what is that? Next, what we will write it now? We will write what is that?
Here
Package com dot rk dot data, right? Com dot rk dot data. Here, what we will do it now? We will take public class product,
product
right? Inside that, what we will do it now? First variable is what? Private
private
int pid, right? Pid.
Yes.
And but this class having what is that? Has a relation with what? Vendor, right?
Vendor.
Vendor.
Yes, Ravi.
Vendor. Then what we will do it now? We will take
Private vendor.
vendor
vendor,
Vendor.
vendor, right? These line we will specify. We will specify. This line will be not there in the notation. Just based on that, this rhombus symbol we are establishing the relation, and we are writing the attribute in the parent class. Clear?
Yes, Ravi. Clear.
What is by default one? Private
Sorry.
access modifier we are denoting private, right?
Yeah, private access modifier is the private only, because that is the we are hiding the attribute, right? So we will take the private.
For that there is no UML notation. No? Separate.
1 minute. Yeah. So don't bother about that. You need to place here, right? You need to place now. Okay. You need to place here. Okay. I will give the clarity about that. Okay. Whatever doubt, I know that everyone is getting that doubt. The doubt will clear. Just give that chance to me. I know that your doubt and all those things. But the thing is how I'm presenting the subject in front of you people, just focus on that, right? Focus on that one. Okay. That one will come. Your doubt will clear. I know that. Okay. So fine now friends. Okay, so one more things I'm giving. Okay, so one more things is I'm giving. Okay, so one more notation I'm giving friends. Okay, write the code and send in the box. Okay, com dot rk dot, just the thing is friends. Okay, if I'm not giving the analysis inside your brain, that because here virtual things, physical interaction is not there, right? Physical interaction is not there. So like if I'm like uh, uh, rolling any things, right? So something is there behind that one. Okay, just in the present time, later if the concept is completing, if still if you are not getting the clarity about that one, okay, then tell me. All right. So until unless if I'm not completing the concept, right, don't put the finger and all those things. I know that the clear doubt and all those things. Okay, but the thing is whenever we will reach on that point, I will tell. So com dot rk, right? Com dot rk, I'm taking here, what is that? Let's take project, right? prj, just I'm taking the project only. So here what is that? I'm taking project. I'm taking, what is that? Project. Inside this project, what we will do it now? What we will do it now? We will take private, yeah, PID, right? PID, that is the int. Okay, PID, that is the int only. Okay, so this is the variable and this is the child notation, right? This is the child notation. This is child notation. Okay, now fine. After then again, I'm writing one more class, right? So I'm taking, what is that? Com dot rk dot, here I'm taking department, right? Department, and this one is the class department. Okay, fine. Then I'm taking what? I'm taking class as a department, and inside that I'm taking one private variable did, right? Did, I'm taking, what is that? Int. Did, I'm taking int. Okay, fine. Yeah, both size is becoming same. Okay, but the package statement should be small, friends. Okay, okay, no issue, little bit small is there. So this one also class, this one also class. Now okay, so between these two classes, what is that? Has a relation is there, right? Has a relation is there. Has a relation is there. Just write the code and send in the chat box, friends. Sunil, correct. Asutosh, correct. Muhammad Kokila Gadda. Correct. Yes, RG, Kankata, class, department, private, project. But you not wrote project, na? Project class also, but that is okay. Fine. Vijay Kishore, correct. Okay. So everyone wrote correct code, right? So now let's say I'm writing also. You guys can verify that your answer is right or wrong. Okay. So we will take what is that package com.rk.com.rk. Project, right? com.rk.project. I'm taking one class that is public class. Let's take project, right? Project. Inside that, what is that? One variable is there, which is the private, and I'm taking what is that? int PID. Okay, so this class is ready now. Okay, fine now. So here what we will do it now? Here we will take again com.rk. Department, right? Department. Okay, fine. Inside that we will take one public class department private int d id, right? After then we need to take private project. 1 minute, please. My both mobile is like started. I have another
8 o'clock ना 8 हो गए
sorry, another, yeah, and
it's 8 yeah 8 o'clock I think
yeah, 8 o'clock, and like actually friends, one of the software
you miss
company, no,
another one.
one of the software company is there, right? So I took
Yeah.
the like money to give. Now I'm teaching those working employee, like I'm giving the microservices session for them. Yeah, so in my free time only companies requested, and they are paying for me for the microservices. So it's a need, they are waiting, but don't worry about that. So project and PRJ I'm taking, right? So this one will be there, friends. Okay, this one will be there now. Like this, we are writing the code. Okay, friends. So let's stop our session today here only. Again tomorrow we will continue with the same only. Okay, so then tomorrow we will start designing our what is that layer design pattern and with the UML notation. Then we will understand different type of inputs, and how based on those inputs how the data is storing in our database, like design part and front end part. Tomorrow only we will see that. After then we will start our setup environment setup of the project. Then we will start the coding based on that things. Okay, so this is the step we will follow. So I'm stopping the session, friend. Okay, because they are the company's people and they are waiting, right? So yeah, so okay guys, so I'm stopping now. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, friends. Bye.
Okay, Ravi. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Bye.